After the long journey in modeling, now let's start editing materials. Now let's go to button view to edit the material of the ceiling. Go to Material Editor and pick this ceiling. In type, we have several material presets here. And I will choose wall paint for it. Change the color to light gray. And I will apply this material to the rest of the ceiling because they should look the same. Switch to walk mode and zoom in this area, and I will apply the same material to these areas. OK. Switch to walk mode, zoom extend and check the result. Alright. Go back to camera mode and enter into the room. Look up and walk around to check again. Okay, everything looks good. Look down. Go to top view. And I'm going to edit the material of the floors. Firstly, pick the floor in the balcony. Change its type to wall paint. And change its color to light gray. Okay. Switch to walk mode and zoom in to the indoor garden. Pan right a little bit. Open the map folder for this course. And I will drag the garden floor JPEG to this area. Switch back to Material Editor and pick this floor again. I'll change the map size to 600 by 600. Click All Mapping. OK. Switch to walk mode. Pan left, and I'm going to edit the material of the main floor. As I'm going to use turning design, so first of all I need to save the 2D project. OK, go back to modeling. Switch to camera mode and go to tiling, tiling design, and pick this floor. Now I'm going to tile on this area. Firstly, I want to separate the rectangle areas of the bedroom entrance. Firstly, I need to measure its dimensions, because I didn't give it a specific dimensions when I'm drawing it in 2D design. OK. Create a same rectangle region whose length is 1434 and the width is 1204. Click OK and put it here. And I will move it with this point and snap it to the same point here. Okay, it is overlapped. Right click in the pick region, subtract, and pick this rectangle. Right click to confirm. Okay, they are separated. I need to separate another tiling area here, and firstly I need to add an anchor. The base point is here. The anchor coordinates is -300 and 1400. Okay. Create a rectangular region with the same size. And put it here. Move it with this point and snap it to the anchor. Again, region subtract. And select this rectangle. Okay, it's separated. Switch to the maps folder. Switch to the maps folder. Eject the main floor JPEG to this area. The dimension will be 800 by 800. Okay, and place it at this corner. Right click on the tile, continuously strict tiling. Press F key to fill this area. Alright, switch back to the maps folder. And I will drag this deco floor JPEG to this small area. The dimension will be 300 by 500. Okay, place it here. Continuously strict tiling. Okay. Drag the deco floor JPEG here. Same dimension. Place it here. Continuously strict tiling. Alright. Drag the main floor JPEG again. The dimension is 800 by 800. Okay. Place it here. Right click on this tile. Rotate, and I will rotate it by 45 degrees. Again, continuously strict tiling. Press F key. As you can see, I'm not actually tiling with the complete tile, so I undo this step. Go to Pave, Tiles Create Method. Now I'm actually using the second method, which will tile using the existing shape, so I choose the first option, which would tile using the original shape. Click OK, and continuously strict tiling again. Alright, it's done. Click Update VR. And let's check the result. Looks good. Enter the room and walk around. Alright. The tile fits very good. Okay, now I'm going to give an initial setting for the rest of the structures. Go to Material Editor and pick this decorative wall. and I will set its type as wall paint and change its color to white. Alright, pick this platform, type, I'll choose marble, color would be nearly white. Okay, I'll walk here, this corner point, pick this corner point, type, I'll choose wall paint, same material, and apply to the base. Change its color to nearly white. Walk here, this corner niche. I'll set its type as wall paint again. Color nearly white. Walk here, the frame for the L-shaped decorative wall. Type, wall paint again. Change its color to light gray. Turn here. Alright, everything is initially set.